how much should you actually spend on a natural gas wall heater? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Mr. Heater 30,000 BTU Blue Flame. First up is the Mr. Heater 30,000 BTU vent-free Blue Flame natural gas heater. Priced at $268.59, this heater really caught my eye with its powerful output and rave reviews, boasting a 4.5-star rating from over 4,400 reviews. If you want a reliable heater that can warm up to 1,000 square feet, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It emits a whopping 30,000 BTU/HR, which means you can effectively heat large spaces without breaking the bank on your energy bills. The battery-operated electronic ignition is a lifesaver, no need for electrical outlets, and it even comes with the battery included. Plus, with a built-in adjustable thermostat, you can fine-tune the temperatures to your liking. This is perfect for those chilly evenings when you want to come home to a warm space. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you'll appreciate the warmth it provides, especially during power outages since it doesn't need electricity. If you're handy or have someone to help, this should not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need to heat a large room or want a dependable backup heat source. Skip this one if you're looking for something more compact or easy to move around. But for the price, it offers great value. Now, if the size and installation bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more user-friendly design. Product number 2, Mr. Heater 30,000 BTU Radiant. Next up is another great option from Mr. Heater, the 30,000 BTU vent-free Radiant natural gas heater, priced at $219. It's impressive to see it also rated 4.5 stars from over 1,100 reviews. If you're looking for efficient heating without the fuss, this one's worth considering. You won't have to worry about power outages either because it doesn't require electricity. The battery-operated ignition and internal thermostat mean you can set it and forget it, enjoying consistent warmth. Many users find that it heats up faster than they expected, which is a real plus when you're cold. However, some users mention that it can run a bit noisy when first igniting. Now I get that it can be a bit distracting if you're looking for quiet, but I think the warmth it puts out makes it a worthwhile trade-off, especially if you use it in a larger space where noise is less of a concern. This is perfect for you if you want something reliable and effective without the complexities of installation. Skip this if a quieter operation is a must for you. Still, for the price, it's hard to beat the efficiency. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller spaces. Product number 3, Mr. Heater 20,000 BTU Blue Flame. Coming in third is the Mr. Heater 20,000 BTU vent-free Blue Flame natural gas heater, priced at $245.86. With a 4.6-star rating from 813 reviews, it's a solid choice for those needing reliable heating. This unit emits 20,000 BTU/HR and can heat up to 700 square feet. The battery-operated electronic ignition is included, and just like its bigger siblings, it requires no electricity, making it a great option for emergencies. The adjustable thermostat ensures you can maintain your ideal temperature with ease. This feature really helps to avoid those sudden temperature drops when you least expect it. Some users did mention that it might not be as effective in very drafty areas. Here's the thing though, if you position it correctly and ensure good insulation, it should work just fine. So if you're in a well-insulated space, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need something less powerful but still effective. Skip this if you're dealing with particularly large or poorly insulated areas. For the price point, it offers a solid performance. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact, the next one is definitely worth a glance. Product number 4, Mr. Heater 10,000 BTU Radiant. Next on the list is the Mr. Heater 10,000 BTU vent-free Radiant natural gas heater, priced at $198.34. This one has received a good 4.5-star rating from over 580 reviews, making it a popular choice for those needing something smaller. If you have a smaller room or need a quick heat source for a short time, this is ideal. The piezo ignition means you can light it easily without needing batteries, and it also has 2 heat settings for customizable comfort. It's great for spaces where you want quick spot heating without the hassle. However, some users found it less effective in larger rooms. Now I'll be real with you, if you're trying to heat an area bigger than its rating, it may fall short. But if you're using it in a smaller confined space, it can be a real lifesaver on those chilly nights. This is perfect for you if you need quick, effective heating in a small area. Skip this if you've got a larger space to warm up. For its price, it's a fantastic value for what it offers. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle a bit more power, let's check out this next product. Product number 5, Dynaglow 20,000 BTU Blue Flame. Finally, we have the Dynaglow 20,000 BTU Natural Gas Blue Flame Vent-Free Wall Heater priced at $291. This unit also holds a solid 4.5-star rating from 277 reviews, making it a strong contender. It offers a variable heat output of 10,000 to 20,000 BTU/HR, so you can customize your heating based on your needs. Plus, it operates without electricity, which is essential during emergencies. This flexibility makes it really appealing for various scenarios. However, the primary drawback is that it doesn't come with a thermostat control, which some users missed. This is perfect for you if you want a customizable heating option for medium spaces. Skip this if you absolutely need a thermostatically controlled model. Still, it's a great investment for reliable heat. In conclusion, if you're looking for effective heating solutions, each of these options has its strengths depending on your needs. To wrap it up, we covered some great options today. The Mr. Heater 30,000 BTU Blue Flame for large spaces, the Mr. Heater 30,000 BTU Radiant for efficiency, the 20,000 BTU Blue Flame for medium areas, the compact Mr. Heater 10,000 BTU for smaller rooms, and finally the Dynaglow 20,000 BTU for customizable heating. Each of these has its own unique benefits, so pick the one that fits your heating needs best.